Fix and repair broken nails easily with PLEXIGEL Shaper. Shape and smooth the broken nail with a 240 grit file. Perform dry prep. Gently remove shine from the nail plate. Cleanse with Scrub Fresh. Brush on a thin, even layer of bonder to the natural nail, sealing the edge after application. Cure for 10 seconds on preset button 1. Place the form under the nail to prepare it for sculpting. Apply a thin layer of shaper to the natural nail. Add a drop of shaper to the form to create the extension edge in the desired length and shape to match the remaining nails. Turn the hand over and utilize gravity pull to fill in any low spots. Flash cure for 10 seconds on preset button 1. Carefully remove the form. Complete a full cure for 1 minute on preset button 2B. Float a second layer of shaper to the nail for apex and architecture. Place a vertical line of shaper down the center of the nail. Turn the hand over and utilize gravity pull. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 2B. Remove top film with cotton pad saturated in 99% IPA. Shape and buff the nail to smooth out any surface imperfections using a 240 grit file and buffer. Cleanse the nails with 99% IPA. Apply a layer of protector top coat. Cure for 1 minute using preset button 3. Remove top film with a cotton pad saturated with 99% IPA. Apply a drop of solar oil.